we're in the south of Italy in a yellow Ferrari. Do you sometimes wonder, like, how do we get up in these situations? How do we end up in these places? But then I've come to realize there's 3 words: Onlyfans management. And that's what we want to teach you guys, all right? So we're doing a free live stream for about 2 hours, and we're going to teach you exactly how the fuck we've been able to achieve all of this. So follow me. So this is an entire 2-hour-long webinar where you can join live, you can chat with others, and you can learn from myself directly. The things that we'll be covering, first of all, what even is OnlyFans, why it's a no-brainer, and an absolute goldmine for you to start, because you can make so much money with it right now. We're also going to be covering exactly what you need in order to get started, okay? So we're going to be covering the softwares that you need, exactly what you need set up before you start making money with this online. And the craziest thing is, if you're watching this video, you can probably get started with it. You do not need thousands to get started with this business model. On top of that, if you sign up right now and you click the link somewhere around this video, we're also going to be going ahead and sharing with you guys exactly how we helped one of our models for our own agency make $600,000 on OnlyFans. And that'll give you guys a better understanding and a bit of an idea on what the kind of day-to-day looks like for you as an agency owner and what you're going to need to be doing to be making all of this money. So with all of that being said, go ahead and register for the free training somewhere around this video, and the results are absolutely incredible. Have a look around this website as well. We've got Mondaire, he made $30,000 in his first month. We've got Noah, he made just over $5,000 in his first month. He's 18, when he joined, he didn't know what he was doing with this business. He's never had a business before. With his first business in his first month, he's made $5,000. I want you guys to have the same results. So register somewhere around here. I'll see you guys on the training.